Welcome to the NBA Math Hoops tutorial video explaining steals. We haven't mentioned yet what the opponent does when the offense is doing the math, and now it's time.
Both teams are actually doing the math at the same time. Number one, to work on those fundamental math skills. Number two, to possibly try to get a steal on an incorrect math equation.
I'm gonna take my turn now to show what can happen. I rolled both dice and I got a 5 and 2. Coach Calvin and I are both doing the math on our shot planners at the same time.
I'm writing 5 and 2 in the roll boxes, and then I'll do the math. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 times 2 equals 10. When we get to division, we can see that 5 divided by 2 doesn't give you a whole number, so I'm going to choose to round to 2. Now I'm going to choose where I'm going to shoot on the even side of the board. I'm going with the 10 spot, which is blue with LeBron James.
Steal! Coach Calvin did the division wrong. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, which actually rounds up to 3. So I had to wait until he placed his token on his desired shot option before I can call the steal. Since he's shooting a 2-point shot in the blue position, I'll now take a 2-point shot in the blue position on my side of the court. That's Candace Parker. Let's go.
That was a great steal, but what would have happened if I placed a 3 in the division box and a steal was called? Well, that would be an incorrect steal because 3 is actually correct. 2.5 rounds up to 3. Because the incorrect steal was called, I would automatically add those 2 points to my score. If I was taking a 3-point shot, I would add 3 points to my score without worrying about the spinner.
A reminder that steals can be called during any turn throughout the game. Remember to communicate and check with your co-coach before you call that steal. In order to ensure that fair application of steals happens, we ask that both teams do the math for every turn and that the offensive team keeps their shot planners fully visible at all times.
By doing the math with every turn, coaches maximize the chances of catching incorrect math and having the chance to make a steal.